Have you been struggling with stubborn acne, dry skin, or scars? Today, we're diving deep into a natural, scientifically backed solution: the combination of neem oil, shea butter, and aloe vera gel. This trio not only soothes and heals, but it also nourishes your skin from within. In this video, we'll explain the benefits, science, and how to make and use this powerful skincare blend at home. Neem oil comes from the seeds of the neem tree and has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. Its active compounds, such as nimbidin and azadirachtin, give it strong antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it excellent for reducing acne-causing bacteria, soothing inflamed or irritated skin, fading scars and pigmentation, protecting against fungal infections. Regular use of neem oil, when diluted, can balance oily skin, calm redness, and help your skin heal naturally. Shea butter is a natural fat extracted from the nuts of the African shea tree. Rich in vitamins A, E, and F, it deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin. Its benefits include providing long-lasting hydration, reducing inflammation and irritation, protecting skin barrier function, promoting skin elasticity and softness. Shea butter complements neem oil perfectly. While neem oil targets bacteria and inflammation, shea butter prevents dryness and ensures the skin absorbs nutrients effectively. Aloe vera gel is a natural plant extract loaded with vitamins, minerals, and polysaccharides that heal and hydrate skin. Its benefits include soothing burns, acne, and irritation, accelerating skin repair, hydrating without clogging pores, reducing redness and pigmentation. When combined with neem oil and shea butter, aloe vera ensures the mixture is lightweight, non-greasy, and highly effective for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Let's break down why this combination is so effective. Neem oil fights bacteria and reduces inflammation. Shea butter moisturizes and supports skin barrier function. Aloe vera gel hydrates, soothes, and accelerates healing. Together, they combat acne and blemishes, reduce redness and irritation, promote scar healing and skin regeneration, provide lasting hydration without clogging pores. This synergy allows your skin to repair itself naturally while staying nourished and protected. Here's how to make your own natural cream. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 teaspoon of neem oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Instructions: melt the shea butter over low heat or a double boiler. Remove from heat and add neem oil, mixing thoroughly. Add aloe vera gel and stir until smooth. Transfer into a clean, airtight jar and let it cool completely. Tips: use clean utensils to avoid contamination. Store in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. Always do a patch test before full application. Benefits: to use, apply a small amount on clean skin. For acne-prone areas, gently massage on blemishes. For dry skin, apply all over the face and neck. Can be used twice daily, morning and night. Additional tips: avoid contact with eyes and mouth. If irritation occurs, stop use immediately. Use consistently for 2 to 4 weeks to see visible results. This natural combination of neem oil, shea butter, and aloe vera gel is a simple yet powerful way to achieve healthy, glowing skin at home. Remember, nature has everything we need for skin healing without harsh chemicals. Try it today and let your skin transform naturally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural skincare tips.